Dams are structures built across a stream or river to hold water back. Dams can be used to store water, control flooding, and generate electricity. They also provide water for activities such as irrigation, human consumption, industrial use, aquaculture, and navigability. Now let's talk about some of the dams we can find in the Philippines and what issues they currently face. Pantabangan Dam is an earth-fill embankment dam on the Pampanga River located in Pantabangan in Nueva Ecija province. It is a multi-purpose dam that provides water for irrigation and hydroelectric power generation, while its reservoir, Pantabangan Lake, affords flood control. The reservoir is considered one of the largest in Southeast Asia and also one of the cleanest in the Philippines. Construction of the dam began in 1971 and it was completed in 1977. The Pantabangan Dam in the Philippines has faced several challenges and issues over the years. Here are some notable ones. Climate change and water level variability subtly alters water levels in Pantabangan Lake, generating uncertainty for its future. Pollution from agricultural runoff and waste management issues also threatens the pristine condition of the lake, affecting those who rely on its resources. And there's the risk of shutdown. The dam's water level has fallen significantly due to the drought. If the level dips further, there is a risk of vortex formation or internal air entrainment, potentially leading to the structural damage. Authorities have observed a vortex forming in the dam, indicating the severity of the situation. The Pantabangan Dam plays a crucial role in supplying water to surrounding rice-growing regions, but these challenges highlight the need for sustainable water management and climate resilience in the face of changing environmental conditions. Magat Dam. Magat Dam is a large rock-filled dam located along the Magat River, which is the majority tributary of the Cagayan River. It is one of the largest dams in the Philippines. It is a multi-purpose dam which is used primarily for irrigating about 85,000 hectares or 210,000 acres of agricultural lands, flood control, and power generation through the Magat hydroelectric power plant. The water stored in the reservoir is enough to supply about 2 months of normal energy requirements. And some of the issues that Magat Dam is currently facing are increased siltation and sedimentation in the reservoir due to slash and burn farming, illegal logging, and fish caging, deterioration of the dam's watershed. The 1990 Luzon earthquake contributed to increased siltation in the Magat River system. And lastly, there were warnings of possible flash floods and landslides due to continuous water release from the Magat Dam. Napindan Hydraulic Control Structure. The Napindan Hydraulic Control Structure, or NHCS, was built in 1982. It controls the outflow to Manila Bay. It is located in Taguig City and plays a crucial role in managing water flow between Laguna de Bay and Manila Bay. The NHCS controls the backflow of saline water and pollution from the Pasig River from entering Laguna de Bay, as it now serves as a source of raw water for Metro Manila residents. And currently, it is facing the water hyacinth issue. The proliferation of water hyacinth, or also known as water lilies, in Laguna de Bay poses challenges. Water hyacinth is an invasive alien species that competes with other aquatic plants and fish species. It blocks sunlight, inhibiting photosynthesis, and competes with fish for oxygen, leading to fish kills. Addressing the water hyacinth issue and ensuring proper management of the NHCS are vital for maintaining the ecological balance and water supply in the region. Chico Dam. The Chico River Dam was a proposed hydroelectric power generation project involving the Chico River. Notably, the Kalinga people resisted because of its threat to their residences, livelihood, and culture. The project was shelved in the 1980s after public outrage in the wake of the murder of the opposition leader Makliing Dulag. It is now considered a landmark case study concerning ancestral domain issues in the Philippines. The project's watershed would have encompassed the municipalities of Tinglayan, Lubuagan, Pasil, and parts of Tabuk in Kalinga province, and the municipalities of Sabangan, Sagada, Sadanga, Bontoc, Bauco, and parts of Barlig in Mountain Province. Contemporary estimates suggest that the project would have displaced about 100,000 Kalingas and Bontocs, due to many barrios in Kalinga would end up being completely submerged. The Kalinga Apayao government estimated that more than 1,000 families would be rendered homeless as a result, and 31,500,000 pesos worth of farmlands would be lost. An additional 38,250,000 worth of rice fields farmed by the residents of Bangad, Lubuagan, Dangtalan, Ginaang, and Naneng would also be flooded, even if the villages themselves would not be submerged. Makliing's murder unified the various peoples of the Cordillera Mountains against the proposed dam, causing both the World Bank and the Marcos regime to eventually abandon the project a few years after.